think the event's been great, really interactive with all the different customers. We can really share different use cases and get ideas from each other. It's been really informal and fun.
I think it's a positive experience, you know, it gives you energy to, hey, maybe I should dig into this software that can help me a lot.
I think things are going great. We've met a lot of nice people here the last couple of days and learned a lot.
I'm very creative, and process engineering is all about thinking outside the box.
It's interesting to get ideas from other industries and other, process engineers, other data experts. We can talk about how they use it, and maybe I can apply that to how we use it.
Reliability for us is really critical, and that's where TrendMiner has started to come into play.
But now I can apply tools like this. I am on fire for the first time in my career right now.